Hi guys, I am Siddharth and this watch here is Fire Boltt Starlight. Probably named so by Fire Boltt because they think that it can light up the market with its looks and price. Which could be really true because it costs only Rs 2000 and comes with metal body and stainless steel straps. Starlight is part of Fire Boltt's Luxe collection and comes with 3 color variations: black, silver and rose gold. I bought the black version because it looks really awesome. So what other features does this watch have? Is it worth Rs 2000? And most importantly, should you be buying it? I will talk about everything in today's video review. So watch the video till the end and please subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel grow. Now let us start the review with the unboxing. So this is the box of Starlight. On the face, it has watch branding and MS Dhoni pic. And at the back, you get to see some key features, QR code for the app and info about the company. Inside the box, you get the watch module given separately. We will look at it in a moment. Next, you have the metal straps, 2-pin magnetic charger, strap adjuster tool to adjust the length of the straps to fit your wrist, user manual, warranty card and a couple of free subscriptions. You will also get a couple of pins like these to fix the strap to the watch module. Next, remove the module and strap covers, and after fixing the straps, this is how the watch looks like. The black watch looks simply awesome. And to put on the watch, long press the side button. To start off, you need to first download the DaFit app from the QR code given on the box or in the watch. The app is compatible with both iOS and Android. You can pair the watch with your phone via Bluetooth in simple steps. The app displays your health and activity data, GPS route tracking, watch face library and settings from various features including notifications, alarm, find my device, female cycle, sedentary and water reminders. The watch comes with rectangular metal case with curved glass display, making the watch look really very attractive. You do not get a rotating crown, but instead there is a push button with red accent which can be used to go back with a single press and switch off the watch with long press. At the back, the glass finishes enhances the look and you get the health sensors and charging point there. The watch also gets inbuilt mic and speaker at the side for seamless calling and listening to music. The 22mm stainless steel straps are premium looking. However, installing and adjusting them for fit was quite an effort, and I wish that Fire Boltt gives them pre-fitted. Although it is a metal body watch, it is very comfortable and light. The watch is IP68 dust and water resistant. That means it is safe to go swimming with it. The 2.01 HD display is quite large and the color production with the 240x296 pixel resolution is very accurate. The curved glass display enhances the look of the watch and makes it look very upmarket. With a peak brightness of around 500 nits, the watch display is bright enough for both indoors as well as outdoor viewing. The bezels are very thin and if you choose a dark watch face, then it will look as if the display is edge to edge. Long press the screen to select any one of the 8 built-in watch faces. You can also choose from this collection of 100 plus watch faces available on the app to suit your fashion and style. You also have the option of customizing the watch face by selecting edit in the app. Although there is no always on display, you can still set the sleep mode and raise to wake to allow maximum screen time. Overall, Fire Boltt has given a premium looking smartwatch with good build quality. The user interface is lag free and the touchscreen is very responsive and smooth. No stutter was observed. Swipe down to access the control center where you get the phone settings, menu styles, flashlight, brightness control and e-card. The setting allows you to control brightness, activate DND mode and set a sleep time. From the settings you can also enable or disable audio of the phone media and the phone call on the watch. Swipe up to access the notifications. You can customize which notifications you want from the app. Swipe right to get the recently used widgets and voice assistant for quick command. And finally, swiping left lets you access those widgets you want to choose at short notice. Like I have kept phone call, weather and music player as my favorites. You can add and subtract these as per your choice. To add, click on the add sign and select from the option, and to subtract, long press on the widget and deselect. One of the important features the watch has is Bluetooth calling. You can make and receive calls on the watch. The watch allows you to check recent call log, make calls using the dial pad and save up to 8 contacts. To check the audio quality of the call, I'll call one of my contacts.
Hello.
Hello Apurva, how are you?
Badhiya. How are you?
I'm fine. Can you hear my voice clearly?
Yeah, loud and clear.
Oh, that's fantastic. Actually, I'm checking a new smartwatch, so I wanted to check the
Yeah.
audio quality. Is it all good?
Oh, yes, I can hear you very well.
Thank you so much. Okay, take care. I'll get in touch with you again. Bye bye.
Yeah, we'll catch some other time. Yeah,
Yeah, okay, take care. Bye.
bye.
So I hope that gave you an idea about the call quality. I found it to be quite good and did not find any issues with the sound from the mic or the speaker. Another important feature is the health monitoring. You get the heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, sleep, female period tracking, sedentary and drink water reminders, an activity counter to measure steps taken, distance covered, and calories burned. For the sports enthusiast, there are more than 120 sports modes to indulge in. You have walking, running, badminton, golf, to name a few. You can also add more as per your need. The watch also stores your exercise records to help you analyze your performance. In the activity feature, the step counter was found to be slightly inaccurate by a few steps. I took 40 steps and the watch showed 46. Well, it does not matter much as the watch acts only as a motivator to be active. Now let's check the accuracy of the heart rate and the SpO2 monitors against oximeter reading. And the blood oxygen reading was 97 on the watch and 98 on the oximeter. You also have the blood pressure tracker on the watch. This is its reading and I can't say if it is accurate. My advice is to use the watch as a fashion accessory and not as a medical device. In case of medical emergency, please consult a doctor. And remarkably, the watch does not show the reading unless you wear it. Starlight gets loads of extra features which make this watch value for money product. To know about the current weather conditions and forecast for local weather, you have the weather updates. To enhance your user experience, you get 8 menu styles. I personally use the list view, which I find very convenient. Shutter allows you to use the watch as a remote control to take photos from your smartphone. You can play your favorite music on the watch with the music player. The watch speaker is clear and loud to give you a very good listening experience. To relax, you get relaxation feature. Use the breath control to calm down. You can time your activities with preset timer. Command Siri or Google with AI voice assistant to get the latest info. The watch will alert you as per your set alarm. You can time your sporting activities with stopwatch. Use the find phone feature to locate your phone. The watch has a decent collection of 4 games to pass time. I found them interesting and engaging. You get a calculator on the watch which is very useful. And finally, you get the e-card feature which allows you to use your personal QR codes like social media or UPI. I'm using my Instagram QR code to help add followers without opening the Insta app. You can add the QR code through the app. All these features add value to Starlight, making it a value for money product. Lastly, how is the battery backup of this budget smartwatch? The company claims that the watch will give you a battery backup of 20 days on standby mode, which is very good. Use a 2-pin magnetic charger given in the box for charging. The charging time to 100% is approx 2 hours. In regular use, the battery backup is quite good. It gave 2 days backup with Bluetooth calling on and around 7 days without. To get the best battery backup, you can put on the low power mode in the settings, which will lower the brightness and turn off the raise to wake and vibration. With its price of Rs 1,999, Fire Boltt Starlight is a great value for money smartwatch. Fire Boltt has been able to provide us with an affordable smartwatch with premium looks. I recommend this watch if you are on a budget, but you can check out other similar watches on Fire Boltt website. This watch comes with lots of features, metal build, and a 1-year warranty. I'll leave the best buy link in the description below. Do check it out. With that, we come to the end of today's review. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe before you leave. If you like watching such videos, do check out the other watch reviews on the channel. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.